Hi, I'm David Pagan Butler, and I'd just like to share with you my current thinking on the bubble pump layout for an organic pool. What I've drawn here is a typical pool, 8 meters long, 4 meters wide, with a regeneration zone of 3 meters all the way around the pool. And this makes a pool 10 meters wide and 14 meters long. For a pool this size, 4 bubble pumps are adequate, but for some inexplicable reason, I've drawn on 6. So this is valid for a slightly larger pool as well. What I used to do was have the bubble pumps go from the planted zone. They would take water from under the planted zone, the gravel under the planted zone, through perforated pipes, go through the wall that separates the planted zone from the swim zone and terminate in the swim zone. That's exactly what's happening in the pool here. But what it does mean is that going through that wall complicates the building process. Every time you've got a bubble pump, you've got to go through the wall. And it turns out that putting the bubble pump on the other side of the wall, the flow of water into the swim zone or around the swim zone is almost as effective. So it's far more advantageous to have it on the other side of this wall. It also nicely tidies up the line of this wall, so aesthetically it's a better thing to do. Now we've got the bubble pumps on the other side of the wall. The other thing I do is I have the perforated land drain that they connect to in a loop. Now this means that the pressure is equal everywhere around the loop. Previously I had a serpentine of perforated land drain terminated at the end, but that meant that the pressure would drop off till it got to zero at the end. So it would just be a regular pressure all the way through this pipe. With this, it's all equalized and far more effective. The other thing I do is I have each bubble pump on their own separate loop, so that if one stopped working, it won't actually start working backwards as other pumps that are connected to it draw out water far more effectively backwards through a pipe than being pulled through the gravel. So what this does, it gives a level of robustness to the system. So hopefully this has simplified the situation and made building a pool a bit simpler. You made me splurge my words out the end.